Hello everyone, it's Luna from Perfect Homes, and today I'll be showing you this beautiful house in Chang Kian, which is only 2 minutes away from Chiangmai University and 10 minutes away from Maya Mall. Let's come in. The total space of this house is 128 square wa and 233 square meters, 4 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms. Once you walk in the house, you will see this living space, really nice, beautiful big couch, very high ceiling. The design is very modern. Right here is the dining area. You have this big table with 8 chairs. You also have this mini bar area. And here is the kitchen, black marble, gorgeous. You have the sink, dishwasher machine, stove, induction fan, oven, microwave, and refrigerator. And this room right here is the laundry area. Now let me show you what's outside. Wow! Outside has this living area, as well as this gorgeous swimming pool. You can come, take a bath, get some sun, and it's quite relaxing. Right here is another mini bar area where you can have a cup of tea or a glass of red wine. Now, let's go back in the house. I'll show you the first bathroom and first bedroom. First is the bathroom. It's right here. You walk in, you have the toilet, the sink, and the mirror. Right opposite from the bathroom is the bedroom. Right here. Wow, look at this gorgeous bed. Big bed. And here's another bathroom. Have the sink, mirror, toilet, and big shower area. Now let's go check out the second floor. And now we're on the second floor. Let's go check out this bedroom. The bedroom is really nice, beautiful style, big bed, closet. You also have this door to the balcony outside. Wow. Very spacious. Now let's go back in. Let me show you the bathroom here. Again, we have sink, toilet, mirror, and this big shower area. Now let me show you the next bedroom. Every bedroom comes with the balcony. Here is the big bed. Wow, look at all the decorations and furnitures. Also here, you have the door to the balcony outside, and it is also connected to the other bedroom, which I'm going to show you right now. Here is the last bedroom. Big bed, all furnitures, and again, you have this door that is connected to the other bedroom, and you can see the view outside. And here is the bathroom. Again, same style from the other room, really nice. And we're done for today. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you have any questions or if you would like to get more information, please leave us a comment or click at the link below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. I'll see you next time. Bye!